Hi there. I'll start with the FET weekly chart to show you the Wyckoff structure, and then zoom into the daily chart for the shorter term setup. This is education content only, not financial advice. From a Wyckoff perspective, FET is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle. This price range is very close to the low point of the 2022 to 2024 accumulation. So this yellow key level of 0.184 is a very significant level in the weekly chart. Okay, as you can see, the last leg of accumulation before the price shot up during 2023 into 2024 was exactly accumulating around this level. As of this moment, the price movement is heading towards the orange key level of 0.112. So that is our key support. Okay, the resistance above the yellow key level is 0.268, the green key level over here. So this range is what the price has been doing basically since beginning of the year. Okay, it hasn't exited this sideways corridor from the weekly perspective. Now, daily chart, we talked about this downtrend that started since October last year, the tariff announcement date, and only for a very short while in May, the price went outside, but then now it is back into this gradual downtrend and heading towards this support level of 13 cents 58. Okay, so this is a different line that we don't see in the weekly chart because for shorter term, there are what I call short-term resistance or support or short-term levels. So this is taking reference from early February, but also in the case of FET, there's earlier references that we can get from 2022. So it makes a lot of sense for the price to come back to retest as of this moment, given liquidity situation and macro environment. And if this continues to edge towards this, if I extend this downward channel, okay, just to make sure, that should be, I just want to adjust this a little bit more. Okay, because I want to cover this a little bit more. And well, this is better. Okay, not perfect, but a lot better. So what I want to point out is this: when the short-term support, 13 cents 58, crosses the ceiling of this downtrend, we'll get a 2C decision opportunity. First C is the continuation of the trend, meaning it is going to break this support if by the time we get to somewhere around the first 10, 12 days of September, it's still trading along this line. When it gets to this triangle, it either breaks this, that means continuation with the trend, or change of trend, finding support, and goes outside of this downtrend, breaking the ceiling, just like what it did, okay, back in May and a few days in June. All right, so that's the situation for FET, while it seems like it is heading towards the previous low. And from a volume perspective, it has been declining. So no big commitment from both the bulls and the bears. In case any of macro environment changes comes in, or some kind of comments from the US FET changes the sentiment of investors or traders, then this will change. All right. If you're interested in accessing these sessions 2 days earlier, join the other channel members now. See you in the next one. Thank you.